Intraday calls generator. Automatically it will generate calls in live market. For example, today it's a Monday market, buy call generated, green color candle open. So that open point is the entry point. Buy at 44,023. It's a 100 point first target, 200 point second target line above lines. Below red color line is the stop loss line. Daily in live market, it will analyze market movement and give calls in live. So you can do manual trading as well as auto trading. Through the entry point you can place the order. For plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Today August 21st at 10:30 we have received this buy call at 44,023. First target is 133. It's a 110 point target. After 30 minutes of market momentum, a bullish momentum is happening. 44,080 breakout and 100 range also breakout. During first 5 minutes, market has moved very well and market move up to 44,080, but not able to sustain that level. But right now it's showing some bullish momentum. In after few minutes, it successfully break out the first target. Like this today, call generated and break out the target in Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. Meanwhile, in option chart, it's a 44,000 call option. We are showing a at the money option chart. At 179 buy call generated and market breakout 225. You can directly watch in option chart also, or you can trade with future. For plan details, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.